Hello, my name is Lisa Ott. Today I'll be sharing with you information about the Bridgeway Academy High School Study Guide development. The Study Guide Development Overview provides information on the goal for the study guides. The developer will create a study guide that will accompany a Compass Learning course that is designed for high school students. This study guide will be an authentic tool for the student to use as they're going through the Compass Learning course to assist them in note-taking, give them opportunities to have more visual representation of the course content, to assist them in pulling out the key learning objectives for the lesson, and of course just give them an opportunity to have more critical thinking of the material. This tool then, as a note-taking guide, will be an opportunity for the student to review and prepare for the quizzes and tests for the Compass Learning course. This is an example of the front cover of an already designed middle school Compass Learning study guide. Within the study guide, a template will be provided to each developer to get you started on the study guide development. The goal is to have the template resemble the course content, but then also be uniform across all of the course development. The first page of the study guide will have an introduction to the course and to the study guide, and of course share with the student and the parent the goal of this study guide. Within this first page, it will be noted that the study guide is not required but highly recommended for completion from the student. Again, an opportunity for the student to digest, really understand the course material. The next portion of the study guide will include a table of contents, which the developer will be creating as they develop the course content study guide. One portion of the table of contents will be provided for the developer. It will be very important that the formatting of the study guide be followed specifically for each course development. As mentioned, the table of contents will be provided and the developer will continue that table of contents as the study guide is developed. Formatting is included in the guidelines for the course development and noted here. Within each study guide, there will be an instruction page, once again just allowing the student more information on the purpose of the guide and how to use the guide to their best advantage. Within each unit or chapter of the course, vocabulary will be presented for the student to once again note take, to understand, and to use as a review for assessments or quizzes. Once a course developer has been hired to create a study guide, the first part of getting started with the study guide development is to familiarize yourself with the Compass Learning course. To do so, you must access the Compass Learning program. This slide just shows you how to access Compass Learning, how to access the course, and the assignments. As you can see here, once you've accessed Compass Learning, clicking on the course that you will be developing, then clicking on the assignments, and the first quarter or second quarter or third or fourth as you're proceeding through the development, you then click on each lesson that you're interested in previewing. Once you've accessed the course, it is highly encouraged that the developer preview the lessons, actually working through the lessons to understand what the key concepts that the student will be learning from each of the lessons will be, so that the study guide can really focus on those key elements to assist the student in note-taking, and again, preparing for those quizzes and tests. As you're looking at those key learning objectives, we've outlined some of the targeted activities we would like to see included in the study guide development. So for example, with the biology course, note-taking is going to be one of the highly recommended activities for the student to partake in. Visual models, any kind of visual representation such as graphics, are also going to be key for the study guide development. We're looking to have the students have more analytical questions to think about and also summarizing to assist them in understanding what they've learned. Since the guides are going to be geared towards high school students, again, looking for visual representations, but then opportunities for students to fill in graphics, such as the one provided here from the biology course that's looking at the scientific process. It's providing some information for the student, but then also leaving some blank spots to be filled in so that the student can think about the lesson, fill in the boxes as appropriate as a way of note-taking. This page describes what one of the lesson pages might look like within the study guide development. As you can see here, the lesson has been identified. It's called the scientific process for the first biology course. And again, we're looking for this page to be full of graphic representations of the key elements that the student has learned about. One very important portion of the study guide will allow the students to take notes on the information they've learned. We would like to use the Cornell note-taking system to enhance our students' note-taking ability. Working from 9th grade on up through 12th grade, looking at the course assignment, the 9th grade student would have many of the core elements filled in for them within the study guide and allowing them to question, offer response to those key elements within the study guide. As the student is gearing more towards 11th and 12th grade, less of those key elements would be listed here. An opportunity for them within the study guide would be provided, but less direction from the study guide developer. Again, summarizing what they've included in their note-taking will also be really important for them to have the opportunity to do within this study guide. And just to summarize, the Compass Learning Study Guide Development Project is really just to provide a tool for the high school students to help them understand the course content, but also really empowering the student to identify key elements from the course and to use those key elements to go back and review and make sure that they're really prepared for the quizzes and tests. This way, we're ensuring learning from our students. Thank you.